Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Subhashmita and I'm back with another interior related video. So in this series I'm discussing different themes that you can use to decorate your bedroom. So today's theme is the Scandinavian theme. So many of you must have heard of this term as it is quite popular these days. So Scandinavian design theme is a very simple, minimalistic and clean approach of design. It is for people who like minimalism and clutter-free spaces. So let's see how it is done and how you can convert your space into a Scandinavian themed bedroom. So let's dig deeper and get into the video.
So, the Scandinavian design theme is characterized by simplicity, minimalism, and functionality that emerged in the early 20th century in the five Nordic countries, that is, the Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, and Iceland. Scandinavian design mostly focuses on clean, simple lines, minimalism, and functionality without sacrificing beauty. Part of what makes it so aesthetically pleasing is its lack of clutter. For this style, we don't use a lot of carpeting on the floor. The flooring is usually made from light hardwood materials, either in its natural light color or painted in white. Whether it's on the floor or on the furniture, Scandinavian design includes a lot of wood, but not just any wood will do. In keeping with their light theme, the woods used in the Scandinavian design are usually light woods. The reason why it is developed this way is just because the Scandinavian winters are long and dark. Through bright, friendly colors and light, this style creates a lot of warmth. So, the key to selecting your Scandinavian furniture will be clean and simple lines with lighter finished wood or lighter colors. Also, for the bedding part, Scandinavian design doesn't use a lot of blankets or throw pillows to decorate, but the ones that do get included are sure to double as both as functional and cozy provider of warmth, as well as stylish way to add texture when it's not being used. Now, because it's dark so much of the year in Scandinavian countries, natural light is an important thing to try and maximize. If any window treatments are used at all, sheer or translucent ones are favored to let in as much light as possible. Now, the idea of clutter free interiors is so important in a Scandinavian design because traditionally many Scandinavian homes were very small and didn't allow for excessive amounts of stuff. And that's why decor is also kept to a minimum in Scandinavian design. So while choosing your decor pieces, make sure they are elegant and have simple designs. You can also brighten up your interiors using some green plants. Plants help brighten up spaces and bring some life into your interiors. So, to summarize your Scandinavian themed decor bedroom, just keep these few things in mind. It's all about form and function. Use things only that you really need. Avoid clutter. Neutral colors are your best friend. Try and keep as much as open space as possible. Lighting is everything. Neutral colored or light wood flooring is a must. Add a bit of a personality to your house with simple but bold accent pieces. Keep it simple, minimalistic, and functional.
So that's how you can convert your space into a Scandinavian themed bedroom. Let me know how you like the video. If you have any more questions, put it in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, you know the drill. Give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.